creatives! Today we are going to be checking out some paintbrushes. Master's Touch paintbrushes. I got them at Hobby Lobby, round 700R, but this is size 14. So $12.99 for this brush, and again, half off. So I'm just getting my paintbrush wet, and then I am kind of wiping it off on the paper towel to get some of the extra water out of it. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna use this same, this one doesn't, I'm not sure why, it doesn't seem to, maybe there's not enough paint. Maybe I'll throw a little more paint on there. It doesn't seem to give me the same edge like the bigger paintbrush did. So this one has kind of a cleaner edge. This one is a little more unpredictable, which is okay. It's just something that's good to know. Okay. Interesting. This brush seems to be a little bit harder to control, which is surprising. I wasn't actually expecting it to be harder to control than the bigger paintbrush. I can do a lot cleaner lines with the bigger paintbrush versus the smaller one. That's intriguing. I wasn't expecting that. Okay. Moving on to the size 14 round brush that's also synthetic hog. Same style as the first one. I'm gonna rate that only 3 stars, honestly. It didn't hold the paint very well. It was hard to control. I didn't love what I was able to do with it. I was actually a little surprised that it was harder to control than the larger brush, even though I use these brushes all the time. I'm not sure why I hadn't thought about it, but it's kind of funny. Normally when I'm painting, I use the bigger brush just on instinct, not on me thinking through anything. It's just what I navigate towards. And so maybe there's something to that. Maybe I was just grabbing the brush because I instinctively knew that it was a easier to control brush, one that I enjoyed more. I'm not really sure. So yeah, I think 3 stars for this size 14 round brush. So there you have it. All right. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.